So why do you use the 2-bucket method to wash cars? Because this is the soapy bucket with the nice clean soapy water. And if you didn't use the 2-bucket method, this is what you're actually washing your car with. Look how dirty that water is. So the 2-bucket method, it's not rocket science, right? I've got one of these grit guards in the bottom of it. Not essential, but I like to use them. So that stops any sediment that is in this bucket from, well, it basically stops your sponge or your microfiber mitt from sweeping the bottom of the bucket. So it gives a nice space off the bottom of the bucket where all of this sediment would normally be. Essentially, you have your mitt, your microfiber mitt, or your whatever you want to use. Use your nice soap bucket. Wipe on your panel a few times, then you come and rinse it in your dirty water bucket. You rinse all the dirty water that you've just wiped off on your car into this bucket, then you come and get some more soap, repeat the process. On the car, rinse it off in the dirty bucket. And that's essentially as complex as the 2-bucket method is.